In today's video, I will walk you through how to use charcoal pencil medium in Krita. Press B to activate the freehand brush tool. Open the brush presets docker and search for charcoal pencil medium. Select the brush to start drawing. Use pen pressure to control your strokes. Light pressure creates thinner, softer lines, while heavier pressure creates darker and thicker marks. Start with light strokes to block out your shapes, then build darker areas gradually by drawing over them multiple times. For shading, increase the brush size using Shift and drag or the size slider. Use broader strokes to create soft shading and textured fills. To adjust the texture, press F5 to open brush settings. Reduce or disable the pattern option for cleaner edges. The charcoal pencil medium brush is designed to imitate a real charcoal pencil. It's great for sketching, textured line art, shading, and painterly illustrations when you want a natural charcoal look with balanced texture. And that's how to use charcoal pencil medium in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.